I've been trying to figure out how to make the perfect smoothie. And when I say the perfect smoothie, I mean simple and quick, something I can grab at the store while I'm actually food shopping, something that my kids, would like, something that doesn't have seeds in it, something that's very smooth, something that I can just drink and be full and feel good and know that it's healthy. So here you go. Here's my secret. This is the most simple video I think out there. I've looked at over probably 50 videos on YouTube, and honestly it took a lot of hard work just to figure this out. So my daughter and I love this Vitamix 5300. If you look down below, you'll see that it comes with a 5-year full warranty. I'm not trying to make any money off of this by adding any type of referral link or anything like that. So if you just go to Amazon, look up Vitamix 5300, black or red are your choices. This is the most simple option. I think it's the most simplistic Vitamix that they have on their Vitamix line as well. You don't need anything more than this unless you decide to go professional smoothies, on yourself. Basically this is what you want. So it does say 379 bucks. I think I got it for less, but it's timing. I think the prices change week to week, so just kind of keep an eye on it. But definitely, this is the blender for you. There is absolutely, you can put anything in this thing, any fruits, any vegetables, and it just beats the living you-know-what out of it. And it's so smooth, it's like water. It's fantastic for someone like me, or my daughter, or my son that, doesn't eat a lot of fruits. And, the only way to get it into their system is to drink it. And if it tastes good, even better. So anyway, just a quick tutorial right here, just a quick 2-minute video just to show you what to get started. All right, subscribe if you like it, and we'll have more videos soon. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.